guys, I'm Henry G, and today I have 3 boxes of dinosaur toys. In each part, I'm going to show you each one. So, the first one we're going to do is going to be the prehistoric animals. This is the first box I'm showing you. This is not all, but basically most of what I have for prehistoric animals. So first I'm going to show you this one. This is a plesiosaur. So I'm going to put this plesiosaur somewhere. I'm going to put them. I might do something with them at the end of this video. Or at the end of the 3 parts after the 3. I might show you them all and make one all the diversities of them. So here's a plesiosaurus right here. It's like Brachiosaur. And next we have the Lazarus right here. And the third one I'm going to show you is the Dinosaurus. He's right here. These are the Power Rangers. You know. Here's the Dimetrodon. It's right here. He looks like a dinosaur, but he's not. He is actually a mammal. And here we have another Dimetrodon. And if you look in here, this is toy bison. Bison. Toy bison right here. I want to pretend like this is a prehistoric bison. Because I don't have any other prehistoric bison. It might not really be considered prehistoric. I'll just consider that. Here we have the Gorgonopsid. And if I get any of these wrong, then leave in the comments. Actually, it's Longstrictosevia. That's actually what this is. That's actually what it is. It's like a Gorgonopsid. If you look at the jaw. And we have next this saber-toothed tiger. Actually, a saber-toothed cat. Hey, where's my mama? I want my mama. We have your mom. It is another. I think it's a mom or a dad. I don't know. Saber-toothed tiger right here. Bigger, except this time he doesn't have any brown on his back. Kind of brownish, but more orangish. He has a little glare on it. It may look a little yellow, but it's not. That's just your perspective. The mother and baby peacefully. Speaking of snakes, we have, if I something with snakes, so we have a snake right here. It's a Titanoboa, actually. Well, yeah, it is. But this time it doesn't say it. I got this from Prehistoric World. It was in CVS Pharmacy, to let you know, guys. So, yeah, it's a giant snake. It's the giantest snake ever. Actually, it's the giantest and the longest. Other people might not agree with what I say, but nothing can top that, in my opinion. For this, I don't really know what this is. It's an eel. That's what it actually is. So this is an eel toy. Maybe why I have this, because there could be a prehistoric eel. There's some modern day animals in here. But I like them because they could be used as prehistoric models. So we have dogs like Pterodon. I'm the biggest thing of the sea. No, you're not. He's mad. But he is the giantest in the prehistoric seas. He's not as giant as a blue whale. He's pretty good. Like Pterodon. He eats dinosaurs for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. He might if some dinosaur just comes in. Let's just say I'll give you an example. What if there was, I don't know, maybe a Diplodocus. A Diplodocus was walking along the beach. And plus the Diplodocus is smaller than this gigantic beast. He's over 150 tons. It's even bigger than the Argentinosaurus. So, then we have a hammerhead shark. And, okay. Then we have a nice little baby mammoth. It's not an elephant, it's a mammoth. Like if you actually love this cute little baby woolly mammoth, could be a mastodon. Okay, it doesn't say what it is, but I don't think it's a mammoth, but it's not an elephant either. Something prehistoric. And we have a pteranodon. It flew at the time of the dinosaurs. When dinosaurs were eating greens, this animal could fly. Then we have the Altimorosaurus, kind of plesiosaur. Then we have a horse. I think this is like the sheepus. I'm going to call it the Michipus. Then we have this shark. It's a great white shark. More sharks coming up. Then we have a lizard. Not really anything to do with that. A prehistoric bison. There's another Dimetrodon. And there is a terror bird, a Gastornis. While this is on, I'm gonna get it off. It's hard to get the thing off. I'm gonna keep it the way it is. We have Dodocaris. It's like an ankylosaur. It may be actually one of my favorite mammals. There's more. This is another one of my favorite feathers. There's a Megatherium, giant sloth. He use its claws to fight predators and dig roots. Sometimes it can actually kill, but it would only maybe kill Smilodon. I think this is actually a Pteranodon. I don't know where this toy came from. It's not a dodo, I know that. But, now we have this ranger. Then we have this rhino. It's white rhino. If any of you watching this know about rhinos, and might not say the names of the rhinos, leave it in the comments. Then we have this black bear. I thought it was a short-faced bear. I'll use it until there's a way better bear. Short-faced bear is not the heaviest bear, because the polar bear being heavier, but the short-faced bear was the biggest of its time. It's actually the tallest bear, too. It's one of the only bears to stand up. It could have fought in megatheriums. Done. But actually it could win more. I might not be standing up when I show you a Pteranodon, another Dimetrodon, another Dimetrodon, another kind of shark. I don't know. Kind of frog. An ichthyosaur. It's a fish-like, it's a dolphin-like animal, even though it's actually a reptile, not a mammal. A meerkat. And there's another one too. There might be some bundles. Literally, bundles. I don't know what kind of shark this is. It's actually a killer whale. Dang it. Another Pteranodon. Another horse. Some more cavemen. I'll get rid of all the animals in the modern day because we don't need those. And they include ones. They don't include ones that have to be trying to be prehistoric or something. Come on. There we go. And we got the nice baby rhino. We got the seal. We got another Pteranodon. It actually could be a Quetzalcoatlus. It's Quetzalcoatlus. This. Another Pteranodon. I think it's actually a Dimorphodon, this is. Another shark. I don't know what his name is. A scorpion. I think it's, I can't remember what his name is, but I got the tool to know what animal that is. I can't remember what it is. But I'll tell you in another video. I'll find it. Find whatever it is. This is a scutosaur. These are cavemen. More cavemen coming. Cavemen. And the last caveman. And you can see our collection. Another shark. I'll show you guys all the other animals that we have. We have another human. We have a macrochenia. We have a unitherium. We have a lizard. We have a big shark. I'm going to call this a megalodon, I think. It doesn't say what it is, but I think it's a megalodon. Oh. And there's a mosasaur. It's smaller than the megalodon. I'm making Jurassic World. Jurassic World wrong. Another lizard and another frog. We have another kind of thing, which I don't know what it is. We have a mouse. I don't know what this is. Praying grasshopper. Yeah, this part of the tail. And he has a wormy thing. Okay, that's the tail. And the Postosuchus. It was a big predator that lived in the Jurassic. If you want to know about this Postosuchus, go watch Dinosaur Talk now after the video. And so, here we had it. We have our collection of animals so far. There's more videos. The collection of animals that I have down here. There's way more. There's also minis that will show you. We're going to have a lot of fun when we're done with the video. And you guys have been waiting for it because I'm getting all the animals we got today in the video. And we're putting them there. And here you have it. All the prehistoric animals. Some of them are modern. Right in here. This big collection family of ours. So thanks for watching. If you guys want to see another episode, I can't do all of them at once. Because then that would be too long. And you guys just want to end. You guys want to see the video ending. So thanks for watching, guys. Bye.